What is up, guys? It is I, Devontae Graves here, bringing you another video. And I'm on Best Buy right now. As you can see, this is bestbuy.com, and they have an affiliate program. And if you look, why become a Best Buy affiliate? Look at this right here. Every time your visitors click our content and make a qualifying purchase, you earn a commission. And that's basically all that we are doing here at the Last Year Being Broke plan. It's just affiliate marketing. You don't have to compromise your style of living, and you can become your own boss by being affiliate marketing. If you want to hop into affiliate marketing, and if you want to be your own boss, this is the best offer for you. And if being your own boss sounds something that you've been wanting to do for a long time, and you're just looking for that great opportunity, then affiliate marketing is something that we do here at the Last Year Being Broke plan. This is what we do, affiliate marketing. So if you were in the market for just looking for other alternatives or a second income stream from your 9 to 5, and you wanted to just do something on the side and not having to worry about having a boss over your shoulder or having to communicate with employees and coworkers, then you should really look into becoming an affiliate marketer and being part of the Last Year Being Broke plan. With social media being a big impact in today's society, there's no reason for you to have less than one stream of income. So, yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. Being an affiliate marketing, I just wanted to just clear that up because people think this is like some type of people. I don't know what people are thinking. Like maybe people think this is a scam or whatever. The typical, oh, this is a scam. Because whatever reason people may say that, this is what this is. This is affiliate marketing, and all you're doing is just driving traffic, and you get a commission if the traffic that you generate buys or makes a purchase, and you get paid a commission. Lead them to the capture page, and that's all you really had to do. Just lead them to the buy page and let them buy, and then you just get a commission. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I really just wanted to clear that up. Make sure you check out all the links in the description if you want to be your own boss, and I will see you in the inside.